Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Elisa, here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. And today we'll be taking a look at this beautiful 2017 Toyota 4Runner SR5 with your upgrade package. So here we have a 4-door, 7-passenger 4x4 SUV, and the color is called Alpine White. Under the hood, you'll find a 4.0-liter V6 cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 17-inch aluminum alloy wheels. Now, some of your features include your front fog lamps, you have roof side rails just in case you need a bit of extra cargo space, and you have your running boards there that look really great with the white. Now, lots of great stuff happening on the inside as well, so why don't we hop on in and take a look at your interior features. Helping you into your 4Runner is this handy dandy key with fob. On your fob, you have your lock, your unlock, and your panic button. Pushing the unlock button once will unlock the front door, and pushing it twice will unlock all 4. And you can see there that you do have your side view mirror signal indicators. That's going to be really great for heavy traffic or if you're traveling on the highway. And we're just going to open this up here. You have your running boards to help you in and out of your 4Runner, and then lots of room to get in and out, really nice and spacious. You do have some storage here in the driver's side door. You also have your power windows and your locks, and then your power mirrors are situated just to the left of your steering wheel there, along with your windshield wiper defrost. You have your internal lighting for your dash there, and then you have all of your interior plugins, all of your power outlets that you can turn off and on. You also have your all-weather floor mats to keep your vehicle nice and clean, and then you have your power adjustable driver's seat, so lots of ways to get comfortable, which won't be hard in this beautiful leather interior. It's got this great two-tone gray and black, and then you have your nice big sunroof to let all that sunshine in on those beautiful Alberta days. So we're just gonna hop on in here. We'll start it up for you. We'll take you through some more technology features here. So taking a look at the odometer, there's only 20,489 kilometers, so lots of life left on your Toyota. You also have all of the mounted controls that you're going to want. You have your music selection buttons here, and your back buttons and your mode changer, and then your volume control just there. And then right here is your hands-free calling and your voice command. And then this is your display button here. This is going to give you all of your settings that you can change, your average fuel economy, your current cruising range, things like that, your speedometer. So lots of information just at the push of a button there. You also have your cruise control right behind here for you for those nice long family road trips that you're going to take. Taking a look at your entertainment system now, you have everything that you're going to want in terms of audio. You have your AM, FM radio. You do have your streaming, your Sirius XM. You have your CD player if that's how you prefer to choose to listen to your music. And then you have your USB and your audio input. And then you have your Bluetooth audio there as well. And then within your apps is where you'll find your navigation. So really easy navigation system to use and learn. So play around with it. Come on in, take it for a test drive, plug in your home address, see how you like it. Moving a little bit further down is your temperature control. You do have your air conditioning. That's going to be nice for those hot summer months. Moving a little bit further down from there is your USB and your audio input, and then you have your 12-volt DC plug-in there. Right, moving a little further down from there, this is your 4-wheel drive control. And then you have a lot of storage, a nice amount of storage all along. You've got a couple of cup holders there. You do have your heated seats for your driver and your passenger. And then you have your automatic window. That's your hatchback window. So that rolls all the way down. It's really nice for those back passengers. You have a lot of storage right in your center console. And then another 12-volt DC plug-in. So lots of plug-in options for you. Moving a little bit further in, you do have a lockable glove box, and in your glove box you'll find a whole bunch of treats. You have some cords there for your trailering equipment, your wheel locks, everything like that, and then all of your manuals that you're going to need. So lots of great stuff happening in the front of the 4Runner. Why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo? All right, taking a look at the back of your 4Runner, lots going on back here as well. You do have all of your trailering equipment in case you want to bring some toys or a trailer along with you. You also have your rear vision camera just there, and you have a rear windshield wiper. It's hidden just underneath your spoiler, right to clean off the window, that automatic window there that rolls all the way down. Really nice feature for those back passengers. And we're going to open this up and we'll take a look at the cargo conversion here that we can do. So you do have a little bit of room back here when those seats are being used, but I'm going to pop those down so you can see just how much cargo space there is when those seats are lying flat. So there's the first seat down, and as you can see, you have a lot of cargo space right back here, and you can still fit a person in the back seat comfortably. So there's your second seat down. As you can see, tons and tons of cargo space back here. You also have a 120-volt AC plug-in and a 12-volt DC plug-in there. So you've got lots of plug-in options there for you if you have any devices that you'd like to charge. And when you're finished loading in all of your gear, close that back up and give you a nice view of the back of your 4Runner. And here's a final glimpse of the 2017 Toyota 4Runner SR5 with your upgrade package. Come on and take a look at it. Take it for a test drive. Bring your family along. See how it fits in with your lifestyle. We're very easy to find. We're on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. My name is Elisa. Thanks again for watching. And until we see you, drive safe.